In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process an order on Sam's Club to Walmart. To get started, open the Walmart app on your phone or go to the Walmart website in your browser. Once you're there, sign into your Walmart account so you can complete the order smoothly and make sure your saved details, like addresses and payment options, are available. If you're already signed in, that's great. You can move straight to the product search. Next, search for the item you want to purchase. Be as specific as possible when typing in the product name so you can find the correct listing faster. When the results appear, take a moment to confirm that you're selecting the right product. This is especially important if there are similar versions, different sizes, colors, or package quantities. After opening the product page, choose the correct item options if any are available. This could include things like size, flavor, color, or model. Then set the quantity you need. Before moving on, double check everything carefully so you don't accidentally order the wrong variation. Once everything looks right, click or tap Add to Cart. After that, go to your cart and review your order. This is a good time to make sure the product, quantity, and selected options all match what you intended to purchase. Catching mistakes here can save time later. Now choose your preferred fulfillment method. Depending on the item and your location, you may see options like shipping, pickup, or delivery. Select the one that works best for your situation. Keep in mind that availability can vary from one product to another, so the options shown on your screen may differ. After choosing the fulfillment method, enter or confirm your shipping address or your pickup location. Make sure the details are accurate, especially if you've moved recently or if you use multiple saved addresses. Even a small mistake here can affect how the order is fulfilled. The next step is to select your payment method. Choose the payment option you want to use and verify that the billing information is correct. If you have more than one saved payment method, take an extra second to confirm that the right one is selected before you continue. Finally, review all of your order details one last time. Look over the item, quantity, fulfillment method, address or pickup location, and payment method. When everything is correct, click or tap Place Order to complete your purchase. And that's it. Your order has been processed through Walmart. If this is part of your regular workflow, taking a few extra moments to review each screen carefully can help prevent errors and keep the process efficient.